So what's up, YouTube gang? So you guys got a knife here because I did the microwave chunks, and y'all, hopefully this turned out right because I'm still trying to learn how to do chunks. So hopefully this turned out right. I got this box like messed up with all this tape up here. I don't know what I was thinking with all this tape, but we're gonna get it off and we're gonna get to business. Just give me a minute. They smell burnt. Hopefully they're not. I had them in there for about like 6 minutes though. I just gotta feel them they turn out right like I wanted them to. Damn. I feel like I'm messing them up by trying to open this shit. I didn't mean to cuss, but golly. Gosh. What was I thinking? Okay, I think I got it now. Yeah, I think I got it now. So we're getting here now. We're getting somewhere. And I pat it down. So hopefully should did 5 minutes. Yeah, I got something at the bottom of this box and it looked like some of it had burnt. Let me get this right here out. Yeah, guys. One of them had burnt. Most of them had burnt though. Cause this right here has burnt bad. But my chunks turned out alright. Next time I'm gonna have to learn. And I did buy other boxes so I can try making some more. But my chunks turned out pretty decent size. See? Still kind of warm. I microwaved them on 60 minutes. I mean, not 60 minutes, but 6 minutes. And they was in the refrigerator for probably about an hour and a half. Like I said, I'm not a pro at this. I'm still learning. But I'm glad I got some kind of chunks out of it. And I had used the Argo Laundry box. It's so good. That's a nice size. Next time I'll cook it on probably like 4 minutes. Because like they kind of burnt. Some of them kind of got like a brown tint to it. Cornstarch is very, very messy. But I'm a simple person. I just rather have my chunks. I mean, not my chunks, but I rather have my starch in a box with a scroll. I'm gonna try to attempt to make more of these. But some of them do. Tastes kind of burnt. But these some nice size chunks. They itty bitty, but they still good. My daughter's trying to wake up, so I'm just get back with you guys later. And I'm gonna continue to eat these. Thank you all to all my piker guys that showed me how to make these chunks, and they are so delicious, you guys. I'm gonna eat a few more. But like I said, they kind of, some of them are kind of burnt. But they turn out pretty good. I just wish a little bit bigger. And I do recommend next time I do them to keep them in the refrigerator a little bit more because they was kind of still hot. Let me see if I can get some close to the camera. Should I make water chunks out of this or what? As you guys can see, I don't know if you can tell, but see that burnt one right there? So I do recommend when making these microwave chunks to check out how many watts your microwave is, because just because someone put theirs on 5 minutes, they probably have a different microwave. So I think it's best for me to put mine probably on 4 minutes. But like I said, I'm gonna continue to eat these chunks, and I'm gonna get back with you guys later. Thank you.